What's up, YouTube? It's just got done doing a little cleaning, so pretty much gonna put everything back together. Give y'all a rundown, let y'all know what I'm doing. Starting with the AR-15, get it on out the way. Pretty much the same, all AR-15s. So show y'all how to put this back together. I got it stripped down, got pretty much everything out, all the way down to the firing pin. Firing pin was filthy. Got it all nice and shiny now. Look at that. Still got a lot of rounds left through. Don't you think? What y'all think? Y'all think I could put another 5,000 rounds through it with this firing pin? Just let me know down below. So let's get started. I'll explain this later. But I'm gonna take this here, stick it in like this. Just a little piece here. And drop that, line it up with this, turn it straight. Drop that in with the hole facing back. Like that. So when you put it in, it'll be like that. It'll look like that. Then you just want to give it a little turn to where it's like that. So you want it to look like that. Let y'all see. Take the firing pin. Just a little bit. So you're going to grab that just a little bit. Let that drop into place. Like that. This little piece here. It's going to go over here. The side. So turn it. Make sure your firing pin is all the way in. Push it. So to put it in, you want to have it kind of turned on the angle like that. And then once you got it in good enough, you straighten it up and push it all the way through. There you go. So make sure it's operational. This bullet, this round, rather, this is what I used it for, to pull out this little thing here. So the AR-15 was designed to not need pretty much any tools to take it apart. You were supposed to be able to use the weapon to break down the weapon. So that's what this is for, to field strip it. When you field strip the AR-15, you can use your own ammunition, and you can take a cartridge and go right in here, turn it, and it pops out. See that? So this is a 5.56 round green tip, and that's what it was made for. That's why the AR-15 is built the way it is, so it can pretty much use itself to break itself down, field strip the weapon. Got that together, and it's pretty much simple now. So you just take it, drop it in. You want that facing forward, line off everything up. Okay, pull this forward and pull that forward. Turn it, drop it in, send it home, take it, drop it on, snap it. That's the way I do it, to kind of make sure I got a good connection. Check it, dry fire, operate right. Pretty good. Back on safe. Put your round back in your magazine. Just take that. Push down. Back. Always kind of hit your magazine. Make sure everything is in there correctly. Insert it. Give it a pull just to make sure it's seated right. You're good to go. Strap. Take that. Attach it here. My AR-15 is back ready. Flip up sights. Everything operational. Good to go. Get this out the way. Okay, now we got the, let's see. I'm gonna take this. This is, I don't know. Let's grab it. Yep, 45 ACP. So I'm gonna take this. Drop it in. One of these springs go to it. Well, those are Glock springs, duh. So I'm gonna drop that. Take it. Let y'all see. Drop that in. Make sure everything lines up. Take it. Lock your slide to the rear. And this is on the Springfield XDE 45. Slide lock to the rear. Flip down. Release slide. Dry fire. Check. Dry fire again. Long dry fire. Long. Yeah, it's good. Magazine. 45 ACP. Safe. Lower chamber indicator is flat, meaning we're dry. Done. We got the Glock 26. Yep. Glock 26. Go. Like that. Nope. Glock 26. Here we go. Yep. Drop that in. Spring on it. So there we go. Got your Glock 26. Nice spring on it. Actually, I want to say this one goes. Yeah. No? Yeah. Thick one for the Glock 26. I was right the first time. Always go with your first man. That's why I don't edit it, cutting nothing out the video. So I want y'all to see. I make mistakes too. But yeah, there we go. Glock 26. Take it. Before I slide this back on here, you take a little bit of this magical oil. Lucas. We got to let that focus. Lucas gun oil. Take a little bit of that. Dab. 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 Get down in the trigger. And you a clean Q-tip. Yeah. Pretty dirty down in there, man. Sorry, YouTube. I know I've been gone a while, but it's been so much going on with this pandemic, and it's hard for me to find ammo, so can't go to the gun range. There's no ammo. Don't want to shoot up the little ammo I do have reserved. So I'm just here cleaning my guns. Cleaning my guns. Dirty. Them babies was dirty. Look at that. Them babies was filthy. I'm sorry. It's a lot of neglect going on around here. So don't mind them being so dirty. Glock 26. Dry fire. Good. Glock 26. Magazine. Got Glock magazine. 30 round. So my trigger rear is pushed back. This firearm is clear and empty. Glock 26. Ready to go. Next up, we should do the Glock 43. The wife's gun. She love this little thing too, man. I don't know why, like, she love it. Hey, everybody likes what they likes. Put a little oil on it. Even though this don't get fired much at all, she just like to sleep with it next to it for no reason. Get it all cleaned up, oiled up, and ammoed up. Put that on there. Okay, so we got 26 down, recoil spring. Dry fire. Dry fire. Pretty good. Feel small. Let me just stop playing with it. Magazine. She got a 10 round. What is this? Pro Mag. And it worked. So anybody out there that's saying don't use a Pro Mag in a Glock, y'all crazy. I mean, yeah, of course, if you can afford Gucci Glock magazines like this, then yeah, go ahead get them. But nah, the Pro Mag, it works. Like it's functional, it works, and it does cycle. So there's her Glock 43 with a little baby blue grip on it. How cute. And we got XD, another Springfield. Love my Springfields, man. Something about them. Maybe it's just the smoothness to a XD when you shoot it. When you shoot an XD, it's pretty smooth. Like it's, well, yeah, I can say that because I got the 45 and this is the 9. So it's pretty smooth. It's not much recoil. Even with the 45, it's not a lot of recoil on that. And it runs. Function flawless. And it looks cool. It actually looks a little bit better than the XDE I have. So I'll show y'all everything. Just put this baby back together. Same thing. So you take the XD9 subcompact. Take it. I don't know why I try to do that on left-handed. Lock the slide back. Flip it down. Release the slide. Rack it a couple times. Let that oil get around. Dry fire. Check that reset. Yep. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but do it again, let y'all hear it. Creep, 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 creep. Creep. Right there. That's the reset. That's the XD. We're running a 13 round factory magazine. So for my XDs, I don't do nothing other than the factory magazine for it. Let me unload everything again, just because it is a video. And we gotta make sure we always demonstrate gun safety. So, unload everything. Take this thing, lock it to the rear. Show you how it should look when it's completely empty. 43 magazine, lock to the rear, we're empty. Hello. Glock 26 magazine, empty. And XD 45, we're empty. Last but not least, we got the AR-15. Look at this. Magazine. Empty. Dry fire. Always. Empty. Check twice. If you're not sure, always check it twice. You might save a life. So, yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up, y'all. I pretty much done everything I had to do. Thank y'all for watching. If I can get some ammo, I'll get to the gun range. But as of now, it's looking pretty scarce. So till next time, y'all, Spring G2C out.